Welcome back. We are going to use the context we have created in order to write an opt-in page. And basically, what we're going to do is we're going to give individuals information from one of the modules. Now we're going to ask ChatGPT to write the copy for our opt-in page. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste in what the individuals are going to learn in the lead magnet. We're going to paste that into the dialog box. And then we're going to give the rest of the prompt and instructions to ChatGPT. So we have written in our prompt and we have given the outline for the content in the lead magnet. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hit enter. And ChatGPT is going to give us some output. So you can use the entire context that you have created inside of the project in order to create an opt-in page, and that's what we have done. Now we don't have to use all of the content for this opt-in page. However, we are off to a good start with the content that ChatGPT has given us. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.